It's Brian Preston, the money guy.
I'm gonna change Mike's. He says, I'm gonna change what this says.
Well, it's not his question anymore.
Given the political environment, I'm gonna throw that out there. Should one reconsider paying student loan debt early, or might there be changes that affect that? So why don't you let our audience know why that is a perfect question right now?
Well, the next show we're recording is actually when you should pay off debt, key debt versus investing. And student loans is one of them. Now, I will tell you, I didn't go with the political side of it. And let me, who asked that question?
That was Mike.
Mike, here's the truth of the matter. I never take anything any politician says. You have to take it with a grain of salt because these guys, I don't count on it. Just like right now, they're working through the required minimum distributions, the stretch rules, all that stuff. There's so many publications that are publishing all these potential rule changes that could occur. They don't know until you actually see the signature, Congress, both the House and Senate pass, and then you get the president's signature. A lot of it is the noise that the media is putting forth. So, and then realize that a lot of times these politicians will say stuff in primary that they have no real backbone that they're planning to do.
But the crux of your question is.
So I guess I didn't cover that.
No. You nailed it. I'm gonna give him the financial answer. We've actually thought through. We put pen to paper. When does it make sense to prepay student loan debt? When does it not? When does it make sense?
It is a deep dive.
When does it make sense to prepay auto, not prepay? Prepay mortgage, not prepay.
See, this is why we gotta do a live show.
We have a full show that we're about to record as soon as we get
a non-live great show.
A non-live great show. We're going to walk through that. So there actually is an answer. It depends on how old you are, what your student loan interest rate is, and then what you assume your rate of return possibly to be on an investment portfolio.
And the fancy word of equity risk premium.
And some assumptions you want to make about the capital market. So that's a great question, Mike. I'm going to give you a tumbler, even though we didn't technically answer it, but we kind of did answer it. And if you listen to our next show, we're definitely going to answer it.